Sorry about that. My camera cut off. I left off with after I added in the egg mixture, I started adding in my flavoring. And then I was alternating with the milk and the flour. So you all get the picture. Just do that. And then once you get that, you want to add 2 cups of the mix. Well, you can't see my numbers that well, but 2 cups of this mix, and you're going to pour it into your pan, in your 6-inch cake pan. 2 cups is the exact amount. Then you're going to bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, or at least until the middle is done. When you stick a toothpick in it and it comes out dry. My next layer, I'm going to add in some coloring. I'm going to add in some soft pink gel color. I'm just going to put 1 blot of that dot. And then I'm just going to mix it. And then I only have 1 6-inch cake pan. So once that will come out the oven, then that's when I will put in this one. So I'm just going to mix my soft pink cake batter, mix this up, and I'll just wait for it to come out. So now my cake have baked, the first one, for 25 minutes. I've already did my insert and it is completely done. So now I'm going to let this cool off for a while. Then I'm going to flip it and transfer it to my wire racks to cool down over there some more. Then I'm going to pour in my pink batter into this pan once I get that cleaned back out. Then we'll be back on to the next step. Okay, so while my cakes are baking, I'm going to go ahead and make my icing. Icing, to make buttercream icing, is very easy. All you need is your 3 cups of confectionery sugar. And I'm doing 1 stick of butter to a 1/2 cup of Crisco. And then I have 5 tablespoons of cream. Then 1 tablespoon of clear vanilla extract. And that's all you're going to need to make your buttercream icing. So let's get started. First, we're going to cream together our butter and our Crisco. We're going to get that fluff nice and fluffy. Once we do that, we'll come back and show you what's next. Okay, so I have my butter and my Crisco in the bowl. So now we're going to turn this mixer on and start mixing it. Shift my mixer with the bottom of that knob, which what starts making the bowl spin. If I put it back this way, it still spin, but not as fast as when I put it back this way. But sometimes it can get a little stuck when it's too much in one spot. So we're gonna let that mix up for a minute or so, and I just still move my bowl and adjust it so I make sure I'm getting everything incorporated in there. So here's my butter and my Crisco mixing together in the bowl. So it looks about done. This is how you want it to look. So now you're going to start adding in your confectionery sugar. You can do this a little bit at a time. And oh wait, before I start mixing that, let me stir this around because I don't want this to come back flying in my face like I just got it on my shirt. Now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of milk or cream. And I'm going to scrape my sides down. Now I'm going to add in my teaspoon of vanilla, clear vanilla extract. And I'm going to keep adding my powdered sugar and my cream till I get the right consistency of what I'm looking for the buttercream. Then we'll come back and show you how it looks. Alright, you see our buttercream, it looks kind of thick. So we're going to add a little bit of cream to it again. And see, I still have about 2 tablespoons left of that cream. So you add the cream until you get to what you want it to look like. And it looks pretty stiff. So I'm not going to add any more cream to mine. I'm just going to let that keep mixing. Okay, so it's done. I'm scraping down my sides. You want this to be thick to where it doesn't fall off your spoon. See? So you just scrape down your sides and your mixer tool, whatever you want to call it. And that's it. That's how you make buttercream. So now we have 19 minutes left on my cake. Here's one already out. I kind of messed that one up when I was taking it out, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. And the strawberry one is in there baking. So we're just waiting. Okay, so here's my buttercream. All nice and smooth. And ready to ice in on my cake when I'm ready. Now I'm going to split this up into 2 colors, lavender and that soft pink as you saw in the cake batter. And you'll see how I'm going to put it on there. And 3 colors, lavender, soft pink, and white.